Adaptive cruise control maintains distance and speed automatically. Forward collision warning with auto brake. React before using. Auto high beam assist. Smarter lighting for safer driving. Limitless freedom. That's Wrangler style. Lightweight aluminium doors. Strong yet easy to remove. So, ready to feel the open air? Just lift and go. Did you notice? No deep pad up front, and it doesn't need one because the iconic 7-slot grille says it all. Pure identity, pure legend. Jeep Wrangler, recognized anywhere without a name.